Erwin Schrodinger by Jacob Hinkins and Nick Sissel. Always our best. Early life. Schrodinger was born in Vienna, Austria on August 12, 1887. He was born an only child to Rudolf Schrodinger. However, despite being raised in a very religious household, he was a self-proclaimed atheist. Education. From 1906 to 1910, Erwin studied physics at the University of Vienna. In 1910, Erwin graduated with a PhD in physics from the University of Vienna. In 1920, he became the assistant to Max Wien. Personal information. During World War I, Schrodinger was an artillery officer. Schrodinger married Anna Marie Bertel in 1920. Schrodinger also suffered from tuberculosis. Multiple times during 1920, Erwin stayed at the Sanatorium Eros, an insane asylum. Personal information continued. Erwin Schrodinger conducted the Schrodinger's cat experiment in 1935. Erwin shared the Nobel Prize in 1933 with Paul Dirac. Schrodinger sadly died on January 4th, 1961. Here's a video about Schrodinger's cat experiment. Schrodinger was an Austrian physicist. He developed fundamental results in the field of quantum theory, especially the Schrodinger equation. What is it about Schrodinger's cat? A cat, a flask of poison, and a radioactive source are placed in a sealed box. If an internal monitor detects radioactivity, the flask is shattered, releasing the poison that kills the cat. The Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics implies that after a while, the cat is simultaneously alive and dead. What? Yet, when one looks in the box, one sees the cat, either alive or dead, not both alive and dead. This poses the question of when exactly quantum superposition ends and reality collapses into one possibility or the other. Anyway, Schrodinger's box is open. Contributions to the current model of the atom. Schrodinger made Schrodinger's equation, which made areas of probability where two electrons were to be found. These areas of probability are called orbitals. Here is a short video showing orbitals. Improvements to the Bohr model. Schrodinger's equation disproved that electrons follow a set path around the nucleus. Schrodinger also disproved that you can know both the velocity and position of an electron at the same time. Here's an example of both Schrodinger's equation and Bohr's model.
This is the nucleus.
Jacob and Nick are electrons. This is Bohr's model of the atom. This is Schrodinger's equation.
Incorrect parts of Schrodinger's work. There are no incorrect parts of either Schrodinger's equation, or rather, any of Schrodinger's work in physics. Laws and experiments associated with Schrodinger's work. Einstein's theory of dual nature. Bohr's model of the atom. And Planck's experiment and his constant.
They and